How do you find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence if there are four questions? First one, the words start with P. Second one, if the vowels always occur together. Third one, if the vowels never occur together. Fourth one, if the words begin with I and end with P. Now, if these are all certain conditions, first to four, whatever is given, these are all certain conditions. If there are no conditions, then the number of permutations for independence, we'll first find out that number of permutations possible for the word independence without any condition. This independent word has got 12 letters. So 12 factorial will come in the numerator. And then we may notice this capital N or N appearing or occurring 3 times. And then D occurs 2 times, E occurs 4 times. So the number of permutations will become 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial in the denominator. And if we expand and find out the value, you get 16,63,200 ways. So it is written, since the total number of letters is 12, N occurs 3 times, D occurs 2 times, and E occurs 4 times. This information or this calculation will be useful subsequently. We'll see where it is getting used. Now, the first question, the word starts with the letter P. In this, P is fixed for the first position. Hence, we have the balance 11 positions only available for the permutations. Therefore, the number of permutations will be 11 factorial divided by, again, this N is occurring 3 times, so it is 3 factorial. D occurs 2 times, so it is 2 factorial. E occurs 4 times, it is 4 factorial. If we evaluate this, we get 1,36,800 ways. Now, the second question, if the vowels always occur together, there are 2 vowels we may notice. One is I, another one is E. I is occurring once only and E is occurring 4 times. So, if these are to occur together, then we will consider that as a single letter, means all the 5 letters will be considering together as a single letter. And hence, the total letters considered are those 7 consonants, means 12 minus this 5 letters. 5 are vowels actually. 12 minus 5, so you get 7 consonants. And then these together considered as 1 letter, that together becomes now 8 letters. So all the vowels can be arranged among themselves. Since there are 5 vowels and in that E is repeating 4 times, we have 5 factorial by 4 factorial, which becomes 5 ways. Here it is written the reason, total 5 letters, and in that letter E occurs 4 times. Hence, the number of permutations if the vowels occur together are, we noticed already that there are 8 letters we considered. So 8 factorial divided by, and again, we may notice that your N is occurring 3 times and D occurs 2 times. That is why it is 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial multiplied by this 5. So we get, after calculation, we get 16,800 ways. Now the third question, if the vowels never occur together. So for doing this third question, we will be using this because we have done without any condition how many permutations are there. So number of permutations if the vowels do not occur together will be total number of permutations possible for the word independence without any condition minus the previous, that is second question's solution, number of permutations if vowels occur together. So it becomes now 16,63,200 minus this 16,800. So we get 16,46,400 ways. Now the fourth question, it says the word should begin with I and end with P. That means the first position and last position are already freezed or fixed. So we have only the balance 10 position available to do the permutations, in which again N occurs 3 times, D occurs 2 times, E occurs 4 times. Hence the number of permutations becomes 10 factorial divided by this 3 factorial and this 2 factorial and 4 factorial. If we calculate that, we get 12,600 ways. That is the solution for this particular problem.